All right, hey guys, I'm going to walk you through how to use this website to complete this worksheet. All right, completing the square using algebra tiles. So you're going to be filling in this table. We've done this one together, x squared plus 2x. You saw up here that took, here's my x squared plus 2x, and it took one tile to complete that, and so that gave me x squared plus 2x plus 1, which I wrote there. Or we can look at this as x plus 1 squared. All right, now since you're watching this video, we're actually going to work through this one together. All right, the x squared plus 4x. All right, you go down to this link here. All right, if I click on this link and then click here, it'll actually take me to the website that I used. Should take you here, and you want to go up to manipulatives and click on that, and you want to click on algebra tiles, and it'll take you to this. Now we wanted x squared plus 4x. All right, so there's my x squared, and then I want 4 x's. All right, so I'm going to bring those out here. Doesn't matter how you put them or where you put them. Now we want to, kind of like I did here, we want to start making a square out of this, with some of the green tiles going this way and some of the green tiles going this way. So I'm going to put a couple right here beside. All right, and I'm trying to make a square, and again, you don't need to get it perfect. All right. Now I don't want to put any more along there. Matter of fact, I think I just want to put 2 there, because if I put 2 down here, that's going to start to make that square, not a rectangle. Now, these need to be flipped, and if I click on this, notice that when all I got to do is click, I get this little black handle down here, and then I can grab this thing and turn it the way I want to. All right, so I'm also going to turn this one. All right, so, and now I can start to move those here. All right, and I'm starting to get a square here. Not a very pretty one, all right, but you get the point. And we've got to fill this in. Well, all right, let's just start getting some 1 tiles until we get that filled in. All right, so I slide that up in there. All right, bring this one out here and slide it up. And there's another one looks like I need. I can slide that up. And then finally, I can slide that one up. All right, if you want, if this really bothers you, I'm going to slide those over just a little bit so there's no white gaps there, but probably not going to get it perfect. All right, but now you can see here is my square. All right, it's a square because it's the same on each side. This is x plus 2, and this is x plus 2, and this is actually x plus 2, and this is x plus 2. All right, so here's my square. And so I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to put in, so we started with x squared plus 4x. So how many 1 tiles did it take? Well, it took 4 of them. All right, so that's what I'm going to put in there. All right, and then the expression written 2 ways. So one is, what do I see? Well, I see x squared plus 4x plus 4. All right, so that's one thing I can type in there. All right, and you can write this in, x squared plus 4x plus 4, and that is the same as, all right, so what else do we have? We have x plus 2 times x plus 2, or I can write that as x plus 2 squared. All right, so there's what the next line is going to look like. And now I just want you to do the same thing with x squared plus 6x, and the good news is once you've got this open, you can just come out here and add, now I need to add 6x, so I just need 2 more x's. All right, and you can start moving those around. Look how nice I'm being, giving you this answer since you're watching this video. So here's x squared plus 6x, but now I need to add some more yellow tiles to start to fill that in, and I can complete that table. All right, now once I get this done, let me get these out of here. You can, somehow I use my snipping tool. All right, that's right down there. I can use the snipping tool to do this. On a Chromebook, you can figure out how to do that. Probably have done that before, but I would snip this. All right, so what I would do, let me just go ahead and do this. I'm going to use my snipping tool, and I'm just going to snip this picture here. All right, and I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to come back and paste, and I'm just going to put it right down here. All right, and there's that picture. All right, and then once I do the x squared plus 6x, then I can snip that one and include that one as well. But I want you to fill in this entire table. Again, we've done this one, and now you got x squared plus 6x plus 8x and plus 10x. So complete this table and show me a picture for each one of those. All right, and then don't forget or don't miss. There is one more question. There's going to be one more question that I want you to answer down here. Okay. Matter of fact, let me just show you. I'm going to type that in right now. You get to see me make this last picture. All right, or make this last question. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to use your table. All right, use your table to predict how many one tiles would be needed to complete the square for x squared plus 18x. All right, and then explain how you know. All right, so just include that there. All right. I'm not asking you. You don't need to. If it helps you to go back and do it here, you can. But hopefully, you might start to see some patterns here as you're starting to go through this on how we can get this answer here. All right. All right. If you have any questions on this, let me know. Otherwise, have fun with it and good luck. Take care.